Hello, Hamish here from mortgagesonline.co.nz. I've got Carley with me today, and we're going to talk about why having life insurance doesn't actually mean that you have life insurance, right, Carley? Because claim time.
Yep.
That's when it's crunch time.
Crunch time, yeah, that's where the rubber hits the road. Look, things that can actually stop your life insurance being paid out are around medical underwriting, and that's the set of medical questions that an insurer will ask you when you're setting up a policy. May seem tedious at the time, but it's really good to do it up front. Then you know what you're covered for, and more importantly, what you're not covered for in your policy. Now, these questions that are asked, they're asked in a way that the insurance company needs to understand, and that means it's not usually client-centric. So using a financial advisor is key. We can help you to translate these questions.
Because sometimes it is just hidden in the fine print, right?
That's right, yeah. I mean, you may not think that having a slightly raised blood pressure 5 years ago was a big deal. You know, it's all under control now. Now, that's the type of thing that could actually stop a claim being paid if you haven't told an insurer about it at the outset.
Well, I mean, I've had a real life example of that actually. A client had basically 3 headaches in a kind of a 12-month period, which he thought were kind of headaches, but the doctor recorded in the second or third one that migraines possibly. He thought it was related to dental treatment that he had at 1 or 2 of those. But anyway, he'd mentioned it to the doctor, recorded as migraines. After taking insurance, subsequently he claimed many years later, and this was brought up as a history of migraines that he didn't disclose.
Yeah.
And from that, they had a big argument, and actually, apart from denying the claim, cancelled some of his policies.
Yeah. And they do have the ability to do that, and that is that fine print that an advisor will help you understand. That type of thing can happen. Typically if you're using an advisor, it's not going to happen. We're there to sort of go in and bat for you. But it's just understanding what they're asking, why they're asking it, and how it's going to affect your cover in the future.
Well, hey, thank you for that, Carley, and thank you guys for watching. Hopefully that's been handy for you. Thanks for coming in.